Many people who have seen the National Stadium model describe it like this. It is a warm bird nest made by steel nets as tree branches. A nest used to breed and protect life is full of people's hope to future. Therefore, the National Stadium is also called Bird's Nest. Bird's Nest is in the center of Olympic architecture complex. As a huge container, the seat up and down, alleviating the volume of container with a dramatic arc appearance. The outer elements of stadium support each other, organizing a net structure. What is amazing is that there is not a standing column inside it. As the main stadium of the 29th Olympic Games in 2008, Olympic Games, Paralympics opening and closing ceremonies, track and fields, and finals of football game were held here. 91,000 auditoriums are distributed in a 3-layer grandstand designed as bowl shape. This well-distributed and continuous circle can make people achieve the best view, and excite the audiences, as well as stimulate sportsmen to be faster, higher, and stronger. Here, piercing, portrait lines, brightness of color red are perfectly in harmony with the modern steel structure design. Here, human being is truly given the central status. The bird's nest becomes the landmark sports architecture and important Olympic relics.